How to log into AudioTool on web or mobile. First of all, open your browser and go to audiotool.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner and click on it. Enter your registered username and password, then click on the login button to access your account. If you have previously signed up using Google or another platform, you can choose the login with option and select your platform for a faster login. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to your AudioTool dashboard where you can start working on your project, exploring instrument, effect, and other production features. Next, to log in on your mobile device, open your preferred mobile browser and go to audiotool.com. Tap the login button in the top right corner of the screen, then enter your username and password or use the login with option and select your platform to sign in quickly. Once logged in, you will have full access to your account and the interface will automatically adjust to your mobile screen, making it easy to browse your project, create new tracks, or check your saved work on the go. Now you know how to log into AudioTool on web or mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.